In today's video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Bluehost website step by step using SSL, backups, updates, malware protection, and more. If you run a WordPress site, a business website, or even a simple blog, this is one of the most important things you can do to protect your data, your visitors, and your search rankings. Securing your site does not have to be complicated. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact settings to check inside Bluehost so you can make sure your website is protected properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the website section and select the website you want to secure. If you manage more than one site, make sure you click the correct one so you do not change settings on the wrong domain. After that, look for the security section. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools that help protect your website, including SSL, malware protection, and other security options. The first thing you want to check is your SSL certificate. Make sure it is active because SSL is what encrypts the connection between your website and your visitors. When SSL is working correctly, your website should open with HTTPS instead of just HTTP. That little padlock in the browser is a strong sign that your site is using a secure connection. If your SSL is not active yet, give it some time to provision, then refresh and check again. Next, open your website in a browser and confirm that it loads with HTTPS. This is important because even if SSL is installed, you still want to verify that the secure version of your site is actually being used. If your site still shows the non-secure version, you may need to update your WordPress settings or force HTTPS through Bluehost or your website configuration. After confirming SSL, go to the backup section. Backups are your safety net, and they are one of the easiest ways to recover if something goes wrong. If Bluehost offers an immediate backup option for your plan, create a backup right away. If not, wait for the next scheduled backup to appear so you know you have a recent restore point. Having a backup means that if your site ever gets hacked, breaks after an update, or has a plugin conflict, you can restore it without losing everything. Once your backup is handled, check the core WordPress files. Bluehost may offer a feature to scan or verify core WordPress files, and this helps make sure your installation has not been altered or corrupted. This is especially useful if your website has been behaving strangely or you suspect a file issue. Then make sure WordPress, your themes, and your plugins are all updated. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons websites get compromised because older versions can contain security holes. Keeping everything updated reduces your risk and helps your site run better overall. Before updating, it is always smart to make sure you have a fresh backup, just in case anything needs to be rolled back. If your Bluehost plan includes malware scanning or protection, turn that on as well. Malware scanning helps detect suspicious files, injections, or other unwanted changes before they become a bigger problem. This can give you an extra layer of defense, especially if your site handles forms, logins, or customer information. You should also look for tools like an IP blocker if you need to stop a specific unwanted IP address from accessing your site. This can be helpful if you are getting spam, repeated login attempts, or traffic from an address you no longer want interacting with your website. After making these security changes, always test your website. Visit a few pages, check that your homepage loads correctly, make sure links are working, and confirm that your site still behaves normally. A security change should protect your website without breaking the user experience, so testing is an important final step, and that's it. You've now gone through the key steps to secure your Bluehost website with SSL, backups, updates, malware protection, and more. These simple actions can make a huge difference in keeping your site safe and stable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Bluehost and WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.